Trinity Tiny Homes in Southampton is building the tiny homes of tomorrow today. Do you know that Ontario Building Code guidelines have recently allowed ARUs, which stands for Additional Residential Units? The guidelines allow ARUs to be built on your property in addition to your main house, and ARUs can include tiny homes which can now be as small as 188 square feet. You heard that right, ladies and gentlemen. Tiny homes in Ontario can now be permitted in municipalities starting as small as 188 square feet. Call or text 416-271-7752 to receive a copy of those guidelines on building or buying a tiny house in Ontario. Visit Trinity Tiny Homes website, including www.aruontario.com, for more information about bunkies and tiny homes from trinitytinyhomes.ca. Building the tiny homes of tomorrow today.